Sa mahabang buhok.
20 lang to.
Penetration, posting up, there it is. It's just diving for the ball. This is a great
Kanino kayo
pass
bumili,
fake
ma'am?
right here on Aldrich Ramos and finishing.
Tignan mo.
Good 6 points on the splurge from Pamboy Raimundo. So at the bottom of the guards actually, you know.
Jody?
Tignan lang
Sa
natin kung
Julie
sino pang may
Snow.
energy to really end up the game because they've been playing
Sa ano,
with
mama?
Fernandez,
Ube ang masarap.
and Pamboy Raimundo of San Sebastian.
Nabi.
And of course, Pamboy Raimundo totally turned it on.
Bibi,
And you have to give credit to Coach Adol Agustin for knowing that this all came after.
Kuha agad eh.
Well, that was a test to him. And you're leading scorers right now for both teams.
Yeah, you got
Alisin
Raimundo
ko lang yung
with 10,
papel.
Aquino with only 7.
Ah,
And,
si Daddy hindi
Juan,
maawat sa ice
very
cream.
high percentage actually all coming in the second quarter with 5 points. Garcia with 9, Derek Kawani with 6, and Aldrich Ramos with 4 points. After the better attack.
Churro.
Daddy, ice cream. Beautiful eyes mo muna si Daddy, dali. Huwag mo i-10 minutes ha para ma-upload natin sa YouTube.
That San Sebastian has come back from a biggest lead of 14 now down to 2.
Alisin ko lang ang papel.
What are the adjustments that they would